browse you.
Today, we will give you information about our study.
Let me start first. We will show you how first graders are doing math at school. First thing is you put your name. Ruksora. And the date. Today the date is 3/10/16. So then let's read this thing. In each sentence below, the naming word names one and it used with is. So each word is naming is. Each word has the word is. Here, like the bird is singing. Add S to the naming word to make its names more than one. Change the is to R. So here it said the bird is singing. In this sentence, the bird mentioned as a single bird. That's why we are using the bird is singing. If we use more than one bird, we need to use S in the end of the word. Now we are using more than one word, so we need to add S. So birds. Birds. Here, the birds. Then we need to change is into are. So let's read this. The birds are singing. When you take this bird out, it's gonna become the bird is singing. If you put these two birds, it's gonna become the birds are singing. Next one. The mop is wet. So it's the same thing as this, but different pictures. So the mops, because there's more than one. Then it's R, because change the is to R. That's what it said. So we change it. The mops are wet. If you take this out, the mop is wet. Put this in. The mops are wet. So this is different thing about mop and mops. If you add S, it's more than one. The truck is full. The trucks, because there's one truck and two trucks. So there's two trucks. So you can't write two trucks. You say trucks. Truck. The trucks are. The last but not least. The girl is reading. There's two girls that are reading. So it means the girls are reading. The girls are reading. So we're done. Now let's read each of them. The bird is singing. The birds are singing. The mop is wet. The mops are wet. The truck is full. The trucks are full. The girl is reading. The girls are reading. When you put S, there are more than one item. That's why E's are changing to R. This is math and it's addition and subtraction. Facts to 18. So it's up to 18 or less than 18. It's minus or plus. Addition means plus. Do you know how you could know? Because when you took addition, it's add. So it's add. Addition. And you don't need to worry about subtraction because we already know about addition. So the first thing is 7 plus 4. The easy way is you put 7 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and add 4 more. 8, 9, 10, 11. So 7 plus 4 equals 11. Let's try one in subtraction. 12 minus 7. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you need to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your answer is 5. Let's do one more addition and subtraction. Then we're going to do here. We're going to finish this whole thing here. 6 plus 6. Let's think this one in our mind. 6. So 6 plus 6. So you don't need to count 6, 6, 6. You just put your 6 finger up, then add one more 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. My answer is 12. It's easy without doing dots. Let's do subtract. Let's subtract one more. 13 minus 5. In our mind, we should do 13. It's really hard to do subtraction, but we could do on our mind or draw circles. On our mind, 13, count back 5 times. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. We did it 5 times and we got 8. Our answer is 8. Let's do this, okay? Let's check all of these without doing the circles. So this is 10 and this is 3. So 10 and 3 makes 13. Now 13 minus 5, 13. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So our answer is 8, which we are correct. Let's do addition and subtraction. One addition, if you could remember it, or one subtraction, if you remember. Here, this one. 7 plus 7. So in order to do that, we did 6 plus 6, it was 12. And now we're doing 7 plus 7. So we have 7 fingers, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We did 7 2 times. You don't know why we did it 2 times because it says 1 7, 2 7. So our answer was 14. Here. Now let's do 1 minus. 11 minus 8. So we do 11 minus 8. So it's 3. You need to do it with a mind. Let's do plus. Let's do 9 plus 9. This one. 9 plus 9. So we have 9. And we need to have another one 9. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So our answer is 18. 18. So we're done with this one. Let's move on to reading. So we're gonna read a little reading. The title of the book is The Living Desert. The Living Deserts. What is a desert? Plants in the desert. Helping animals. An index. These numbers tell you what page are they in. This is table of contents. A desert is a place with very little water. They mean there's not a lot of water. It doesn't rain often in the desert. It doesn't rain, and that's why there's not a lot of water. This makes the desert a very dry place. It's a dry place. The bright sun shines down on the desert almost every day. So when the sun shines, that's why it's dry and there's not a lot of water and it's a dry place. That's why days are very hot in the deserts. So we know that it's a dry place and it doesn't have a lot of rain in there. And it doesn't really have water. Plants need water to live. A desert doesn't have much water, but some plants can live in a desert. How do they do it? How do the plants live in desert? Some plants keep water inside the cactus. Is one of those plants this is a Sagura cactus. Saguras can keep water inside for a long time. Saguras are able to grow wider to make room for the water. This helps saguras grow big and strong. Some saguras can grow to be 50 feet tall. Animals in the desert need food and water. Some animals find food and water in the saguras. Woodpecker makes holes in the sagura, looking for food and water. Animals look for places where they can hide from the sun. This snake stays under a rock all day and only comes out at night. Now, Holly is going to show her homework.
So this is my math. So I have to count by tens. So I can count 10, 20, 30. And I circle 10 to count from 10 to up to 30. So at the next one, you should be counting this. Or maybe we can do easy way, like you count like 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are 4, and you don't count tens. You know tens already, they have tens. Now there are 4, so let's count them together what make. But this is a trick to do it. Like there's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you know there's our 10 and there's our 4. So I put 14 on here because I use my brain to know what the answer is. And I do a trick like 10 and 4. So I count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 14 and I write the number 14. Here, we do on here like 10, 20, 30, and they're saying 60, 70. So this is same thing like that page. So we should say 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And you can count 50, 20, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now you have to count by 60s. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Well, like you count 1, 2, 3. But they're saying at the backward to count 50 and 52. Count from 60. Like this is 60, and after it's going to come 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So that is the math. So we're gonna read a little story about lemonade steak. Lemonade. It is hot today, said Lee. How can we get cold? Let's make some lemonade, said Jack. Let's make a lemonade stand, said Lee. Yes, I like lemonade stand, Jack. They make a stand. They made a big sign. Lee said, now we make juice from lemon. Next, we put in water, said Jack. We put in sugar too, said Lee. Jack said, last we put ice to make it cold. Here is the lemonade, said Lee. Who wants cold lemonade? Everyone wants cold lemonade. That's all about this book. Today we read it. That's all from us for today.
If you like our videos, please subscribe.
See you next time. Bye.